GoPro fans, it looks like the upcoming GoPro Max 2 is getting a serious redesign, and the biggest upgrade everyone's talking about is its new cooling system. For years, overheating has been one of the biggest complaints with 360 and action cameras, but GoPro seems to have finally listened. The Max 2's redesigned body isn't just about looks, it's built to keep performance stable, even during long 5K 360 shoots or extended action sessions. In this video, we'll break down what the new cooling system means, how it could improve video recording limits, and why this change might be the game-changer creators have been waiting for. The action camera world has been buzzing with excitement, and now we finally have confirmation. The GoPro Max 2 is real, it's redesigned, and perhaps the most intriguing upgrade of all is its completely new cooling system. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For years, one of the biggest criticisms of high-performance action cameras has been overheating. Whether recording in 5K resolution under the sun, pushing frame rates to capture silky smooth slow motion, or using advanced stabilization features, GoPro users have often faced frustrating shutdowns due to heat. With the GoPro Max 2, the company has not only listened to that feedback, but also introduced an innovative cooling redesign that could completely change the way creators use action cameras in extreme environments. GoPro has always been at the center of innovation when it comes to compact, rugged, and adventure-ready cameras. From surfing and skydiving to cinematic filmmaking, GoPro devices have consistently pushed boundaries. The original GoPro Max was an ambitious attempt to merge traditional action camera functionality with 360-degree capture, creating a hybrid device that could deliver both immersive spherical footage and classic wide-angle action shots. While it was an impressive camera for its time, it had limitations, chief among them being heat buildup during extended recording sessions, especially in high resolutions. Now, with the Max 2, GoPro is addressing that issue head-on. The redesigned cooling system is not just a minor tweak, it's a fundamental change in the way heat is managed inside the camera. Traditionally, compact action cameras have very little room for airflow. Their waterproof, sealed bodies leave no space for vents or active fans, meaning they rely on passive dissipation through the chassis. This has always been the Achilles heel of powerful small cameras. As resolutions climbed to 4K, 5K, and beyond, the processors had to work harder, generating more heat, with nowhere for it to go. The result was inevitable thermal shutdowns. The GoPro Max 2 aims to break this cycle with a cooling system that has been engineered from the ground up. GoPro's engineers have restructured the internal layout, creating a more efficient heat transfer pipeline. Instead of relying purely on the body of the camera to radiate heat outward, the Max 2 introduces a multi-layer thermal management design. A combination of copper heat pipes, redesigned thermal pads, and a heat-dispersing graphite layer works together to move heat away from the processor and sensors more efficiently. This is then paired with a discrete external venting system that maintains waterproofing while still allowing airflow in controlled ways. In short, it's a delicate balance between keeping the rugged, sealed nature of a GoPro while improving cooling to levels we've never seen before in an action camera. The cooling system redesign doesn't just stop overheating, it unlocks new possibilities. Longer recording times in 5.7K 360 video, extended live streaming sessions, and sustained high frame rate shooting are now within reach. Content creators who